Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for junior. Today I am going to show you how to draw a portrait of Gautam Buddha. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Before that, I want to introduce my art materials. I use here some shading pencil like 10B and papers. Let's start. At first we draw a vertical line on the paper with the help of ruler. Then we divide it into three parts. This is our guideline and line for level. 1, 2, 3. We divide it into three parts. Then we point the same measurement. This is our eyebrow level. At first we make a tub. Then the line become wider. We make a round shape. Then we draw nostril. This is my eye level. We make a triangle because both level are same. Yes, I can measure both eyes are same in the size. The distance between eyebrow and eyelid is same. Then we start the mouth. At first we draw the upper lips. From the starting point of eye and the nostril, and we draw a straight line. The line cross the level. This is the chin. We maintain a little bit gap between lips and chin. Now we are going to draw the face line of Buddha. We draw a U shape. Then we draw the forehead. Then we draw the ears and the hair. We start ears at the level of eye. And the Buddha's ear is very long. This is completely oval shape. The forehead become more wider. Now we focus on the eye. This line is going to upwards. I think I finished my work and hope you have enjoyed very much. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.